sorry. Ayan. I'm not sure if you are familiar with the mean and variance, but it has something to do with our lesson for today. So if you're not familiar na with our words here, especially the mean and the variance, well, I am quite sure that you know what is a discrete random variable because that is our lesson last week. Ayan. So, i-discuss natin siya. Okay? So let us have first this unlocking difficulties. So what is mean? Okay? Mean is the weighted average of all the values that the random variable x can have. So mean basically is the average. Ayun, no, nandiyan na siya. So I'm not sure if this is discussed in your junior high school mathematics or statistics, but mean is one of our central tendency. Okay. When we say central tendency, the central tendency is a value or any numerical value that would represent our data set of numbers. So we can represent a number accordingly using these central tendencies. And we have we have three measures of central tendency. We have the median, the mean, and the mode. I know that you are quite familiar with those. Tama? Especially yung mode, 'di ba? Ngayon, anong silbi ni mean, ni median, and the mode? Sila kasi yung number na magre-represent sa isang data set of numbers. Okay, question. Sige nga. From the class, paunahan na lang. Saan niyo ba ginagamit usually si mean?
Grade. Sa grade.
Okay,
Sa
sa
grade, sir.
grade. Okay, sa grade, 'di ba? Ngayon, yung grade natin um tawag dito, yung grade natin is computed using the mean. So bakit nga ba tayo nagmi-mean? Kasi nga, pag tinanong kayo class ng students ninyo, 'di ba? Or ng teachers ninyo or anyone, paano niyo i-describe yung grade ninyo? O how did you perform last first semester? 'Di ba? Hindi niyo naman in-explain na sa English for ACAD I'm 89 and GenMath I'm 90 and ano ba? In Filipino I'm 94. 'Di ba? Hindi naman gano'n. Hindi niyo ini-enumerate lahat ng grades niyo. 'Di ba? Instead, you explain your average. Ay, yung average ko 90. Ganon, 'di ba? And in that specific data, you can describe your grade, right? So, yon. Nakuha? Okay. So, yun yung silbi ng mean. Ayan. Ay, by the way, class, clear pa ba yung voice ko? Kasi medyo maulan na dito.
Opo,
Yes
sir.
po.
Clear
Okay.
po.
Iba po.
Sige. Next, we have the variance naman. Okay, the variance is the expected value of the squares of the difference between the assumed value of the random variable and the mean. Ito naman klase variance, kahit wag niyo na alamin yung definition, basta ang isa siya sa mga measures of dispersion. Okay? Sa statistics, we have what do we call the measures of dispersion. Ano yung measures of dispersion? Ito yung nag-aalam kung gaano ano yung data. Ka-secret. Charot. Yun pala itatanong ko. Ano ibig sabihin ng dispersion?
Distribution.
Okay. Kung nakinig kayo ng discussion natin last time, it's the how distributed or how scattered is our data. Right? So, si variance will tell us how diverse or how wide the difference between our grades or even how scattered our grades are. So let's take for example, yung grade ko kunwari yung average ng dalawang student is parehong 90. Pero magkaiba yung grades nila, yung dispersion or yung variance nila. One student can have a grade of 97, 98, 92, 97, 98, 99, pero may 82, 80, 83. Si student naman na isa, ang average niya is 90, pero yung mga grades niya 89, 88, 87, 93, 92, 90. Si latter student, mas dikit yung mga grades niya as compared doon kay first student, right? So yun yung kaibahan and yun yung importansya or that is how important our variance. Kasi indeed, two students might have the same average. They might be performing well, but they perform differently and their grades were different. Okay? So yun po yun. Okay. So when finding the mean and the variance, we have the formula. Okay. So we have here the mean. The mean of a discrete random variable x is also called the expected value. Kapag sa isang problem or sa isang instruction, wala po kayo class makitang expected value, instead, ang makikita nyo doon ay mean and vice versa. Pag wala kayo nakitang word na mean doon, expected value yung nakalagay. Ibig sabihin, kukunin nyo yung mean. Okay? So, the expected value of x is denoted by the symbol e of x. Or ang madalas natin ginagamit class ay itong symbol na to. This symbol is what do we call, or this symbol is a Greek letter. This is a small Greek letter mu. Ayan, mu. This is pronounced as mu. Okay? O, baka may naalala kayo sa word na mu or sa letter na yan. Yan po ay mu. Kapag may symbol class na ganyan, ibig sabihin po niyan ay mean. Okay? That is our symbol for mean. Okay? So, our formula for our mu or for our mean or for our expected value is here. Ayan. Ano yan? So we have the mu is equal to the sigma of x times p of x. Ngayon class, pag may nakita kayong capital letter sigma, anong ibig sabihin yan?
Summation.
Summation po.
Summation.
Okay, summation. Very good. So meron tayong summation. Okay. Ayan. So, di ba, meron tayong summation. Tinuro to sa inyo ng grade 10. Capital letter sigma. Ayan. So, we have the formula. Mu, or the mean, is equal to the summation of x times p of x. By the way, class, hindi natin to siya binabasa as sigma. Instead, we what? We read this as summation. Okay? So where x is the outcome or the value of the random variable and p of x is the probability of the outcome or of the variable x. Familiar ba si x and p of x? Class, di ba? O saan na nga natin nakita
Yes.
yan last time? O last meeting, saan natin siya nakita?
Probability of distribution.
Okay, sa probability distribution. Tama, di ba? So, ayun. Ngayon, ibig sabihin yan, class, pag nagko-compute tayo ng ating mean, kailangan natin yung table natin for the discrete probability distribution. Okay? So, yun. Kaya, dapat alam nyo kung paano gumawa ng discrete probability distribution din. Natutunan nyo yun last week. Kaya nga sabi ko, class, sa mga sections na na-discussan ko na, bago kayo pumasok sa discussion room natin, make sure na na-recall nyo lahat ng, hindi man lahat, at least na familiarize nyo yung na-discuss na last week. Kasi kailangan yun. Okay? O katulad next week, kailangan na-revisit nyo tong video na to na ni-record or somehow naalala nyo pa yung lessons para medyo mas maganda yung understanding natin of the new lessons next week. Okay? So, yun siya. So this is the formula for the mean. We have the mu is equal to the summation of x times p of x. The next one naman, class, is what do we call the variance. And we have the formula here. So we have notations for variance. Meron tayong var of x. Pero usually, ang ginagamit natin is itong symbol. May squared. So this is a what? This is actually, class, yung symbol na yun, yung parang 6 na tabingi or what, this is a small letter sigma. Sa alphabet ng Greek class, may capital and small letters din. Eh, kung ito yung capital letter ng sigma, summation na ibig sabihin, yung small letter na may squared is our variance. Sir, bakit may squared? Kasi class, yung sigma alone, yung small letter sigma alone, is our standard deviation. I know you are quite familiar with the standard deviation. Ayan. I'm not sure if you are quite familiar, but deviation, ayan. But I'm not quite sure then if this is discussed in your junior high school. Okay. Don't worry that I promise that what's this? Um I will teach you. Kasi nga kinukuha si standard deviation by getting the variance. Square root nyo lang class yung variance, makukuha na natin yung standard deviation. Kaya si variance dito ay may squared. Kasi pag in-squared natin si standard deviation, variance yung answer. Okay? Sige. Next example tayo. Ayan, wait lang ha. Ay, by the way, class, may message lang ako ha. Pero sige, wait lang class ha. Oh my God, may nag-message kayo sa akin. Sandali lang. 1 minute lang. Ayan. Okay. So, we find the mean and the variance of the following discrete distribution or probability distribution. So, anong gagawin natin? So, ganito class. Nakapahiga yung table natin. Pero I suggest, ipatayo natin siya para mas madali ang paggawa. Okay? So, gagawin natin ganito. X, P, ay sorry. Sorry, mali. X, P of X. Okay. And then, isulat lang natin yung table. Gawin natin 1, 2, 3. Ayan, perfect. And then, ano yung probability na kina-correspond niya? So, we have 0.25, 0.50, and 0.25. By the way, class, before we can find the mean and the variance of a following discrete probability distribution, make sure na siya ay discrete probability distribution. So, you know the properties, right? So, dapat, ang sum nito mga probability ay 1. Okay? Pag hindi yan 1, hindi kayo pwede maghanap ng mean. Okay? So, yan po. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is hanapin muna natin class yung mean. Okay? So, ano yung formula ng mean? Yung mean natin ay yung mu, right? Mu is equal to the summation of x times p of x. Okay? So, yan siya. Ngayon, class, using this given, magsosolve tayo ng mu and ng variance, ng mu and ng sigma squared using table. Okay? Mas madali ang pag-solve dito, class, pag naka-table. Sige, gawin natin. So, lagay natin ang x times p of x. Ano ang x times p of x natin? So, ipag-multiply natin lahat ng value ng x doon sa corresponding table. So, ang gagawin class, kung ano yung magkakarow, yun muna yung pagsasamahin. Okay? So, 1 times 0.25, 2 times 0.50, and 3 times 0.25. Yun yung gagawin natin. Okay? So, 1 times 0.25, 0.25. 2 times 0.50, 0. Ay, sorry. 2 times 0.50 is
1.
1. Sabi ko sana 0.1, mali. 1 siya. Buo na siya. Kasi kalahati, di ba, ang ano. Ayan, 1. Tapos 3 times 0.50, ay 0.25. Okay.
0.75.
0.75.
Po.
Okay, so ngayon, ayan. So what's the sum? Ang gagawin natin, dahil nga may x times p of x na tayo, class, ano yung sum? Okay, hahanapin natin yung sum. Okay. Sige, ano yung sum? Ibig sabihin, pag-a-add lang natin, class, yung mga x times p of x. Wait lang ha, di ko kasi nasunod yung marker ko eh. Ayan. Ito yung 0.25, 1 and 0.75. Dahil nga ito yung x times p of x, di ba? Ngayon, class, ang sabi kasi sa formula, the summation of x times p of x. So, pag-a-add lang natin lahat ng x times p of x, yun na yung summation niya. Tama? So, what's the summation of x times p of x?
2 po.
Okay, 2. So, kung 2, yun na yung mu natin. So, mu is equal to 2. Okay? Ayan, very good. Tapos, yan na yung mean natin, class. That's the final answer. May question sa pagkuha ng mean?
None po.
Okay. Nakuha? Baka may question. Nasubaybayan po?
Opo.
So yun lang
Yes po.
Yes,
if
sige.
mean po, yun lang po.
Yes po.
Summation lang po talaga siya ng xp of x po.
Yes po. X times p of x. Summation lang. So kung ano yung sum nitong x times p of x, yung pinakababa, yun na agad. Pero mean lang yon. Okay? Mean pa lang.
Thank you.
Sige. Baka kasi pati variance. Pero ito na yung variance. So sige, kunin na natin yung variance and idugtong na lang natin siya sa mean. By the way, class, sige, sulat ko muna yung formula. So we have the sigma squared or the variance is equal to the summation of... Ay, nasabi ko ba yung formula? Sorry. Kalimutan ko, di ko pala nasabi. Anyway, ito yung formula. Ay, ano ba yung lutang? So the formula for our variance is sigma squared is equal to the summation of x minus mu squared nun times p of x. Okay? So obviously class, kung mapapansin nyo, may mu dito. So para makuha natin yung variance, kailangan natin yung mu. Okay? Kailangan hanapin muna yung mean. So yun. Ngayon, yan na yung formula natin. So, yun din, same value lang din, same variables din, kaso may mu lang. Okay? O sige, balik na tayo. Ang formula natin for variance is sa sigma squared is equal to the summation of x minus the mu squared nun times p of x. Ayan. Ngayon, ano yung una nating gagawin? Naalala niyo yung logic class, yung naga-table-table tayo. Parang ganun lang din ginagawa natin. Pero instead, nagko-compute na talaga tayo. Actually, helpful nga si logic eh. Nag-table-table tayo nakaraan. Ayan. Ay, sorry. Maliit. O sige, okay na yan. Okay, so we have, ang uunahin natin class is yung pinakaloob. Okay? Which is x minus the mu. So, saan natin kukunin yung x? Dito sa mga dun sa table or dun sa column ng x. Ayan. Saan natin kukunin sa yung mu? Yung mu, kukunin natin sa nahanap nating mu which is 2. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is 1 minus 2 is ilan?
Negative 1 po.
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Tapos 2. Ito pala. 2 minus 2 is
0.
0.
0. 3 minus 2 is
1.
1. Okay. Next is, ayun na, x minus mu na tayo. Isi-squared natin siya kasi may square dito. So, we have x minus mu squared. Negative 1 squared, ilan?
1.
1. 0 squared, ilan?
0.
0. 1 squared, o 1 din.
1.
Make sure class, dahil nag-squared tayo, tandaan nyo ha, nag-squared tayo, ibig sabihin nun, positive lahat ng numbers. Kasi negative times negative is positive. Positive times positive is positive rin. Okay? So, yun siya. Ngayon, meron na tayong x minus mu squared. I-multiply natin yung probability. X minus mu squared times p of x. So, ilan? 20, dito natin kukunin yung p of x. Dito na natin kukunin yung x minus mu squared. Okay? 1 times 0.25, ilan?
0.25.
Okay, 0.25. Kasi any number multiplied to 1 is itself. Right? 0 times 0.50.
0.
0.
Kasi any number multiplied to 0 is 0 din. And ito, same din. 0.25. Oh, what's the sum? Kasi ito na yung sum, di ba? X minus mu squared times p of x. Eh, sabi summation daw nun. So, pag-a-add lang natin yung x minus mu squared times p of x. So, what's the sum?
0.50.
0.50 or 0.5.
Okay. So, squared times p of x is equal to 0.5. Ay, sorry, 0.5. So, yan na yung sigma squared natin, class. Wag yan. Ito, sigma squared is equal to 0.5. O, di ko na kukunin yung standard deviation, class. Sunod na lang. Okay? Pero dahil napanood nyo na yung iba, o square root nyo lang yan, yun na yung standard deviation. Pero as of now, doon muna tayo sa essential. Parang lugaw lang, ganun. Doon sa tinuturo natin. Okay? So we have the mu and we have the standard deviation. Okay, do you have question?
None po.
None, sir.
Okay, sige. Proceed na
None
tayo
po.
ha. Okay, ngayon, for example, letter B, I will write the formula first. So we have the mu is equal to the summation of x times p of x. Bracket dapat pala to. And sigma squared is equal to the summation of x minus mu squared times p of x. Okay, so I'll be giving you 5 minutes to find the mean and the variance of the following discrete probability distribution. Take note, class, pinalitan ko to. So hindi na ito yung examples na B doon sa ibang lessons. Now if you're done without without our time has finished yet, please message in our chat your answers. So nakaganitong format na lang. So mean, tapos ganyan, tapos variance. Ganyan. Okay, nakaganyang format, class. Ay, sorry. Si kay Kim ko lang na-send. Sorry, wait lang. Ayan. So nakaganitong format siya, class. Nakaganyang format. Okay. So, yan. With the way that I have taught you earlier, sige, example ko, discussion ko, gawa ninyo muna ha. So, okay. So, yun muna. So, 5 minutes starts now. Ayan, naglagay na si Alea ng ng answer niya. O sige, let's check ha kung tama. Later. Oh, how about the others? Okay, last 1 minute for those who are answering. Okay, ready na ba? Sige, let's see if your answers are all correct. So, let's see. Okay, some of you have similar answers. Ayan, sige, let's check. Okay. So, first things first, I'm the realist charot. Rapper. Ayan, so hanapin muna natin yung mean kasi nga importante si mean to find the variance, right? So we have the x and the p of x. Okay, so we have ayan. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ayan. And then we have 0.15, 0.34, 0.29, and 0.22. Okay. So multiply x and p of x together. So we have, tulungan nyo ako, 0.15 and then 0.68, right? And then 0.7.
87.
87. 87. Ayan. And
0.88.
0.88. What's the sum?
2.58.
2.58.
Okay. So, tignan nga natin. Ako talaga nag-check, diba? Okay. The answer is 2.58. So, this is our mu. Mu is 2.58. Oh, yan na yung answer ha. Next. Proceed tayo sa pagkuha kay variance. So ano yung kailangan natin? X minus the mu. Okay. So the mu is, sorry. Sige, mamaya na. Okay, the mu is, ayan, 2.58. So subtract that with our value of excess. So 1 minus 2.58, that would be negative
Negative
1.58.
58. Next is, of course, negative 0.58.
58.
Next is, positive na siya, positive 0.42
0.42.
and 1.42.
1.42.
Okay, paki-square. Wait lang. Dapat di mo natin lagyan ng harang kasi baka mahaba. Okay. Okay, ano na nga, class? Square. Tama? Square natin siya isa-isa. So we have x minus mu squared. Okay, so paki-square. Ilan po?
2.4964.
Okay, 2.4964, right? Next is 0.58 squared.
0.3364.
3364. Okay. Next is 0.42 squared. That would be 0.1764.
64.
And 1.42 squared, that would be
2.0164.
0.0164. Isasum ko na ba?
Di pa po, sir.
Okay, hindi pa. Wala pang, ano yung nawawala? Yung P of X, di ba? So, yan.
Of X.
Ayan. So, ano nang gagawin natin? So, i-times yung itong nasa
Multiply.
yung mga 2.4964, yung mga ka-row niya to the probability doon sa pinakaunan banda. So, 2.4964 times 0.15. That would be 0.37446. Okay. Next is 0.3364 times 0.34. That would be 0.114376. Okay, next is 0.29 times 0.1764. Paka-check ako ha. 0.51156. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Yes
Next.
po.
Okay, next is 2.0164 times 0.22. That would be 0.443608. Tama?
Yes po.
Okay, paki-sum. Sum na natin isa-isa. 0.443608. Pataas ako mag-ada. Plus 0.051156. Plus 0.114376. Plus 0.37446. The sum is 0.9836. And this is our, this is our sigma squared or our variance, 0.9836. Okay, so congratulations for those students who get the correct answer. Now, sige, eto, may tama yung yung observation ni Kim. Okay, ay tama ba? Si Kim ba? Oo, tama. Ni Kim Madarcos. Dalawa pala kayong Kim dito. Okay, na ang gagawin is ganito. Kapag may table tayo, class, nakita niyo yung table? 'Di ba? Ang maximum number of decimal places natin ay 6. Okay? Pag sa table, class, ang maximum number ng table na number na ilalagay natin is 6 decimal places. So, tama itong nasa P of X banda, yung 114376. 6 lang, tama na to. Okay? Tapos sa final answer, 4 decimal places. Kapag mahaba masyado, paki-round off into 4 decimal places, yung final answer. Yung sa table, pag mahaba masyado, round to 6 decimal places. Sir, paano sir pag di nag-abot ng 4? Di yun lang. Basta maximum of 4 decimal places for the final answer and 6 decimal places with the table. Bakit? Kasi, kung papansinin nyo, class, pag nag-round off tayo agad doon ng 2 decimal places or 4 decimal places agad sa table, nagkakaroon tayo ng difference with the answers. Ang tawag natin doon is margin of error or rounding error. Specifically, rounding error. Dahil nga nag-round na tayo agad nung una pa lang, yung answer natin is medyo lumalayo na doon or hindi na siya masyado nagiging exact. Okay? Kaya, yun nga, magkasundo na tayo na para iisa ang sagot natin, 4 decimal places with the final answer, tapos 6 decimal places sa table. Okay po?
Okay po.
Okay. So, yun po. So, question.
Wala po.
Okay. Sige.
Wala na po.
Wala po.
Sige. By the way, sino yung nakatama? Patingin nga. Mag-react nga dyan. Nakita yung react dyan? React ka, wag raise your hands. Patingin. Ayan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. May naghaha. Ayan. May naghaha. Sino yun? Joke lang. Ayan. So, marami-rami. Very good. O, paano yung iba? O, ganito, class. Make sure na tama yung mga entries nyo sa una pa lang. Para din tong problem solving. Para to siyang domino effect. May mali ka lang na entry doon sa isa, kung saan man yan, lahat ng kasunod mali na. Okay? Di ba sa domino, pag may natumba ka lang na isang part, yung kasunod dun mali na, ganon. So, dapat make sure na all throughout, maging careful kayo of your entries. Maling number lang yan, kahit maliit na point lang yan. Kung yung example yung 114376 dito, naging 1148 yan siya, o mali na agad. Magaiba. So, be careful. Okay? Yung iba pa naman sa atin, rush, mag-type. Ganon. Tapos, yun, nagmali yung entry. Nangyayari yan, class. Naku, pag mag-check pa naman dito, isa-isa. 'Di ba? Sayang ilang points agad to kung bibilangin. Ganon. Okay? O, sige. Kung walang question, sige, next example tayo. Next drill. O, ito medyo madali kasi maikli lang yung numbers. Find the mean and the variance of the following discrete probability distribution. The challenge is, I will what? I will not give you the formula. Okay? And I'll be only giving you 3 minutes to answer. Bilis na. Ngayon, class, the challenge is, ang ibibigay ko na lang after this example is final answers na lang. Ngayon, bahala kayong mag-discover kung saan yung mali ninyo. Okay? That is your way then para ma-determine kung saan nga kayo nagkamali. Nang kayo lang yung nakakaalam kung saan banda. Okay? So, 3 minutes starts now. Okay, so let's extend, I guess, 1 more minute for those who are not yet done. Yung iba sa inyo, nagkakopya-kopya na lang. Wait lang. By the way, may gagawin ako mamaya. Ayan. Next time may chat dito. Tapos hindi na siya Sige, next week na lang. Nakalimutan ko kasi pala iset. Pwede to kasi na the participant can chat only with the host, which is me. Ayan. Ako lang makakita ng answer niyo sa mga susunod. Ganon. Possible yon. O katulad nito, yung mga answer ni na Winard, ni na Zion, hindi na makita ng iba yung classmates. Pero yung mga answer ni na Kyle, yung nakikita pa, 'di ba? So yun. Para ako na lang yung nakakakita. Para hindi kayo magkopyahan. Char. Sige, sunod na lang. Okay, sige, let's reveal. Reveal the answer. Tara, may pa-reveal. Okay, wait lang. Saan yung, ayun. So the answer is, okay, so the answer is, for the mu, as I've said kanina, bala ka na kayo paano ko nakuha yung answer na to. Basta ang answer is 1.8 for the mu and 1.36 for the variance. Okay, very good. For those who got the correct answer. Ayan. So, hindi na ako magpapataas kasi nakita ko na rin naman kung sino nakakuha. Okay. Bahala na dyan yung nagkopya-kopya na ng answer. Bahala kayo dyan. Dinadayin yung sarili nyo. Anyway, sige, let's proceed. Ayan, sorry. Sorry kasi nag-inom ako ng water. Okay. So, of course, ang isang application or isang formula ay ina-apply in the real world context. May applications sa ating real life. Okay? So, walang gulatan kung ano man yung mga applications na to, especially sa mga hindi pa nakanood. Yung mga nakanood na kasi mayroon ng idea eh. So, of course, we have problem solving. Okay? And class, remind ko na nga kayo class, nung Gen Math natin, ano nga ginagawa natin pag may problem solving?
Ina-apply po yung polio 4-step rule po.
Very good. Merong Polya's 4-step rule of problem solving. Gagamitin natin yun siya. Okay? Sige. Ito ha. Tulungan niyo ako magkuha ng given. Okay. A researcher surveyed that the household in a small purok in San Miguel, Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Parang may kulang. Alright, surveyed. Okay. Bakit? Sige, kunwari, iniisip natin kung ba tayo nag-survey. Kunwari, researcher tayo. Sino-survey natin, class, yung mga bahay sa purok Diyan sa San Miguel. Anong purok ba yung meron dyan? Hindi ko alam. Basta yun, may isa dyan. Tapos, yung random variable x represents the number of college graduates in the household. Inaalam natin kunwari, yung mga college graduates sa isang household, sa isang bahay, dahil bibigyan natin ng ayuda yung wala. Or yung konti lang yung napag-graduate. 'Di ba? Kunwari lang. Dahil panahon na naman ng ayuda. Ayun. So, the probability distribution of x is shown below. So, find the expected value. Okay, sige. Let's proceed. So, tignan nyo yung given na 0.10, 0.20, 0.45, 0.25. Okay, so we will use Paulia's four-step rule of problem solving. So, what is step 1? Ano yung hinahanap? Isulat mo na lang dito, class, yung shortcut. Pero, find the blah, 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 blah. Ano yung hinahanap? The expected value, which is the mu. Right? Tama ba?
Opo,
Yes.
sir.
Yes po.
Okay. Step 2. Ano na yung step 2, class? Ay, nakalagay sa
Formula.
step 2?
Formula and given.
Okay, formula and given. Sige, unahin natin yung formula. What is the formula for our mu?
Mu is
Summation
equal
of
to
x times p of x.
Okay, summation of x times x. Summation of x times p of x. Ano ba yun? Mali yung parenthesis. Summation of x times p of x. Ayan. What are the given? Yun na yung table. Okay? Ayan. Sige, sulat lang natin. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.10, 0.20, 0.45, and 0.25. Okay, step 3. Anong gagawin na sa step 3?
solve na po.
Okay, solve. O dahil solve, paki-solve. I'll be giving you 1 minute to answer and find for, ano yung hinahanap? Expected value. Okay. Time starts now. And then, i-message yung answer sa chat box.
So, yung mu lang po yung kukunin.
Yes po, according dun sa step 1 natin.
Sir, paano po mag-message ng direct? Sir?
Sorry,
Pindot.
yes. I-type lang yung chat sa chat. Sige. Let's check ha. Naririnig pa ba ako? Lakas na ng ulan.
Opo.
Okay. Sige. Nangyari? Ayan. So, what is the... Sana yun? Eto. So, sulat natin yung table. So, we have x times p of x. So, ganun lang ulit. Ayan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, the probability, 0.10, 0.20, 0.45, and 0.25. And then multiply that with our x times p of x. Okay? So we have 0.1, 0.4, 1.35, and 1. Add them up. The answer is 2.85. Ngayon, class, ano ibig sabihin ng 0.85 na yan? Sa step 4 natin, class, wala muna tayong interpretation. Okay? Ilagay lang muna natin is mu is equal to 2.85. Now, ayan na to siya, di ba? Ano ibig sabihin ng mu is 2.85? Sir, nakuha na namin yung mu is equal to 2.85 namin. Anong gagawin? Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is interpret natin to. Anong ibig sabihin pag mu is equal to 2.85? Ibig sabihin, class, ito yung mean, ito yung average na kung saan, with respect to the probability, ito yung number of college graduates per household. The mean of the college graduates per household is 2.85. Ngayon, sir, wala namang tao na 2.85. E di approximately 3. So the mean of the college graduates in a household in a small Purok and barangays San Miguel, Puerto Princesa is approximately 3. Ganon siya. Nakuha po?
Yes po. Opo.
Kumbaga siya yung magiging mean ng ating random variable. Yun po siya. Okay? So may question po dito sa first example natin.
Wala po.
Okay, clear.
Sir, yung boses niyo po, humina.
Ay, sorry. Ayan, okay na.
Okay na po.
In-adjust ko lang kasi yung microphone. Okay. Next is, ayan. Ito. Ina-apply din yung, what's this? The mean or the expected value in a game of chance. Okay, let's have this problem. Ang haba. Assume that the limited edition of Wonka bars are available in the market. Are you familiar with Wonka bars? Sinong familiar?
Ako po.
Ayan. Sige. To give you a background, Wonka bars
Ako po.
is one of the inspiration chocolate of, I'm not sure if it's Cadbury or Hershey's. Ginawa nila ng brand yung Wonka bar. And Wonka bar actually is just a fictional thing, tama ba? Or fictional object in one of Roald's Tama ba? Dahl's novels. And that is the chocolate and Charlie in the Chocolate Factory. Okay, that is a 1960s book, children's book ba or a novel, but that it talks about the boy who were, it's actually a series. Series yun siya, marami yun siya. And one of which is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Ayan. The concept is that there's is a chocolate factory nga, and parang may promo na of all the chocolates, meron dong naka-embed or nakatagong golden ticket. And ayan nga, yung golden ticket na yon would have parang a tour on the factory. And parang medyo sikat kasi yung factory doon. Kaya, syempre na ako curious, ano nga bang meron sa factory? Kaya maraming bata na gustong makapasok doon. Ganon. Okay? So, let's assume that it will happen. Kunwari lang ha. There are 2,500 pieces of Wonka bars produced and that each bar worth 5,000 pesos. Okay, mahal naman. Kasi nga limited edition, right? And 2,500 pieces of bars produced, There are 4 silver tickets that will win you 20,000 pesos and a golden ticket that will win you 100,000 pesos. So aside sa 5,000 yung yung each Wonka bar, ayan, may promo doon. Okay? Na kung saan pag makuha mo nga daw yung silver ticket, 20,000. I-exchange mo siya for 20,000. Itong golden ticket, yung nakikita nyo kuna sa picture, kemi lang yan. Ayan, 100,000 pesos naman siya. Okay? So what is the expected gain? Well, later on, we will determine I will explain to you why is it called expected gain. Pero class, the expected gain is also same as the expected value. And ano na nga ang expected value, class?
Mean po.
The mean. Okay. So ano yung hinahanap? The expected gain. Paki-take note muna yung ating mga given dyan sa problem. 2,500, 5,000 in pesos, 2,500 produced, yun nga, wherein 4 silver tickets will win 20,000 pesos and a golden ticket will win 100,000 pesos. Okay. So using Polya's 4-step rule of problem solving, we will find the answer. So step 1, ayun nga, find the, basta sentence yan what is the mu, the expected value. Step 2, formula. Ayun ulit, ano ba yung sa step 1? Yung kung ano yung hinahanap. So yun yung ilalagay mo. Paano hanapin yung hinahanap mo? So using the formula. So mu is equal to the summation of x times, sige ganyan na lang, p of x. Yan, mali yung notation ko. Sanay kasi ako nung college, so may parenthesis lahat ng minumultiply. Pero pwede naman yung ganyan lang. Okay. Next, what are the given? So, we have 2,500 bars. Yung pera class, wag muna natin kunin. Okay? Kasi hindi yun yung random variable. Yun na agad. Yun yung clue. Ngayon, balik tayo sa problem. Kasi, kung hahanapin natin yung expected value, kailangan makabuo tayo ng probability or discrete probability distribution. Ba't di ko siya mapindot? Ayan. Class, sa tingin nyo, alin dito yung may probability? Yun yung question muna. Kung yung discrete probability distribution ay may probability, ano dito yung may probability?
Chance po na makuha yung tickets.
Silver and gold
Very
ticket
good. Yung chance na makuha yung ticket. Now, kung yung chance na makuha ang ticket ay yung probability, ano ngayon yung random variable?
Yung price po.
Very good. Kung napanood nyo yung video, yun yan siya lagi. And katulad ng sinabi ko sa mga naunang video, yung price po lagi yung magiging random variable. So isusulat natin yung price. Price class as in Z premyo. Hindi yung presyo, okay? Yung premyo, yung price. Okay? So ano yung mga price doon na sinabi? 20,000 pesos daw yung makukuha ko kapag nakakuha ko ng ng silver ticket. Ano ang probability ko na makukuha ko ang silver ticket?
4 over.
4 out of 2,500.
Very good. We have 4 out of 2,500 bars of chocolates na i-produce. Okay. Same way goes with 100,000 pesos. Makakakuha daw tayo ng 100,000 pesos kapag 1 out of 2,500 chocolate bars yung chance. Okay. Ngayon class, we will create now our solution. Okay, isa-solve na natin siya. So we will create a probability distribution. Okay, so anong gagawin natin? So ang random variable is, yun nga, yung x. So we have 20,000. Ano ang probability na makukuha ko yung 20,000? 4 over 2,500. Huwag nyo muna i-round off class para mas madali nating maintindihan at makita yung comparison. Tapos, 100,000 pesos daw kapag 1 over 2,500 or 1 out of 2,500 chocolates. Doon yung isang golden ticket. Ngayon, question, is this a discrete probability distribution?
No, sir.
No.
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 So, bakit no?
Hindi po siya equal sa 1.
Equal sa 1.
Yung alin? Ano yung hindi equal sa 1?
Yung P of X po.
Very good. Yung probability natin ay
P of
hindi equal to 1. Tama. So, anong gagawin natin para mag-equal to sa 1?
Kunin po yung natitirang pieces po ng tickets doon sa may 2,500.
Very good. Kukunin natin yung number of chocolate bars na walang ticket. And ilan yon? Sige, ilang?
2,495.
2,495 over 2,500. Yan yung chance na makakuha tayo ng walang silver or golden ticket. Ngayon, dahil nga wala tayong, ano yung price natin? Dahil wala tayong nakuhang ticket.
0.
Very good. 0. Wala tayong makukuha doon, kaya 0 lang. Yun yung price natin, 0. Okay? So since we have already created a discrete probability distribution, now we can solve for our mu or our mean. So we have x times p of x. Paki-solve. 20,000 times 4 over 25, that would be
32 po.
32 po.
32. Very good. 100,000. Tama ba? Oo. Times 1 over 2,500.
40.
40.
40.
0 times ito.
0.
0. Okay. Any number multiplied to 0 is 0. Pakihanap ang sum.
72 po.
Okay. So step 4 natin is 72. Mu is 72. Anong unit sa tingin nyo? Pesos. Pera siya. Okay? Kasi yung random variable natin is pera. Ngayon class, ito excuse lang ha. Sir, di ba sabi mo, discrete probability distribution siya. So hindi siya na measure. Dapat dapat countable lang siya. Di na kailangan ng measurement. Eh di ba, si peso ay unit of measurement. Tama po ba? Ang currency ay unit of measurement. Yes, class. But the thing is, we are going to apply, makinig we are going to apply that context sa real life. Kaya somehow dito, nagkaroon tayo ng deviation from our rule na discrete siya. Okay? Dito kasi, yung pera parang, sa bagay, ang pera ay nabibilang. And kaso nga lang may decimals. That's the only thing that I can say. Pwede mag-decimal na pera, di ba? Ngayon, the thing is, yun nga, para lang ma-apply natin yung principle to a real life context, especially in the game of chances, kailangan natin siyang i-disobey muna. Yun. Kaya sadly, though considered pa rin naman siya as a probability distribution, pero di nga lang siya discrete. Ngayon class, ano ibig sabihin nito? Ano ibig sabihin ng 72 pesos? Explain ko sa inyo class. Balik tayo sa problem. Ang ating expected value, kapag meron tayong game of chances, usually pag tickets, pag ganun, pag may makukuha tayong prize, na kung saan bumili tayo, 'di ba? Yung expected value natin class, yun dapat yung amount or yung presyo nung bibilhin natin, let's say ticket, na kung saan kapag binili natin lahat ng ticket, 'di ba? Pag binili natin lahat ng ticket, sure ball win 'yun, 'di ba? Sure win 'yun, 'di ba? 'Yon. Pag binili natin lahat ng ticket, babalik taya lang. Kumbaga, binili nga natin lahat ng ticket, nanalo tayo, pero yung gastos natin sa pagbili ng ticket, yun na rin yung price. Okay, let's take for example. Dito ang sabi ay 2,500 yung pieces ng Wonka bars. Kunwari lang, nakontrata mo na yung factory, bibilihin mo siya lahat. O dahil ang expected value mo ay 72 pesos, kunwari yan yung price, ano ang product niya? Magkano lahat yung tickets, ay yung chocolate kapag 72 pesos isa?
180,000.
Okay, 180,000. Ngayon, dahil 180,000 lahat ng chocolate bars, makukuha mo lahat ng premyo. O ilan yung doon, premyo? 20,000 each of the 4 tickets. Tama? So ano yun? 20 times 4.
4.
Tapos, 100,000, isa lang siya. O, i-total nyo lahat ng premyo kung magkano.
180,000.
Okay, 180,000. I-compare nyo dun sa 72 pesos. Ngayon, ito na yung sinasabi ko. Yung expected value natin is the amount is the exact amount of the tickets of each tickets that if we are going to buy all the tickets, wala tayong anong tawag dito sa business? May term dito eh. Parang break even ba? Tama ba yung term? Parang,
Yes, sir.
'di ba? Parang kumbaga lahat ng natin, lahat ng ginastos natin mababalik sa atin with the price. Ngayon, class, if you were a businessman, ito na. Ito yung sabi ng ibang section, scammer. If you were a businessman and you know the expected value at gusto mong tumubo, dapat yung presyo ng kada ticket mo is mas mahal sa expected value mo ng kada ticket or expected gain. Okay? Ngayon, kung ikaw naman ay normie lang, bibili ka lang ng ticket or ng chocolate bar at nag-set na ng presyo yung yung tawag dito, yung businessman, and mas mahal kesa doon sa expected value yung amount ng ticket, let's say, statistically lugi ka. Pero ang tawag dito, may something dito sa statistics sa tinatawag eh, saka sa business. Doon na naglilink si business saka si statistics. Na actually, class, hindi naman talaga lugi yung isang tao. Kasi nag-risk siya, nag-take siya ng chance. Malay mo manalo siya, 'di ba? Kung 5,000 pesos yan, malaki na yung tubo na 20K and 100K out of 5,000 pesos na binili mo. Pero again, there's a probability that you will lose or you will win at least. Right? So yun. That's one of the application of statistics. O, alam niyo na. Lalo na yung mga clubs na mahilig magpa-raffle. Yun. O, may idea na kayo, class. Ayan. So, hindi ka naman kayo tinuturuan mang scam. It's just the application. Bahala na kayo kung gagamitin yung learning natin in a way na negative or positive. Bahala kayo. Basta ito tinuro ko kasi ito yung curriculum. Bahala na kayo kung paano siya i-apply ng maganda. Pero I suggest na wag nyo gawin. Baka bumalik sa akin. Okay? So yun po. Do you have question regarding this problem?
None po.
Okay. Kung wala, our next problem would be related to another game of chance. Ito. This is masaya. This is fun. Okay. So, ayan. Familiar yung picture. This is Lady Gaga in her music video, Poker Face. Wala kasi ako makitang picture. Ayan, na someone na naglalaro ng cards. Ayan. Ito naisip ko eh. So, let's assume na kunwari magpapalaro ako. There is a game of chance involving a regular deck of cards. Each draw is free. The cards drawn will tell you if you win or you pay. Libre ang kada kuha ng baraha, class. The thing is, ang gagawin nyo pala is ganito. May mga conditions. If an ace card is drawn, you will win 20,000 pesos. If a face, alam niyo na ace card, di ba? Mamaya explain ko. If a face card is drawn, you win 5 pesos. But if a number card is drawn, you need to pay 10 pesos. Compute the expected value and tell if you lose or gain if you play the game further. Ayan. So, ayun, class. Nakuha nyo? Ngayon, class, bahala kayo dyan kung hindi kayo gambler. Charot. Hindi kayo sugarol. Di naman. I mean, be familiarized with the cards lang. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na pag naglalaro kayo ng cards, sugarol kayo agad. Pwede din for entertainment lang. Grabe naman. Saka for
Yes,
educational purposes naman to. Hindi naman kayo nagapusta, di ba? Siguro naman. Ito example lang. Ngayon, explain ko muna yung game of cards na yan. Yung cards na pala yan. Sa isang regular deck of cards, ilang cards meron?
52.
Regular ha? 52. Yung dalawa doon.
54, sir, kung kasama joker.
Oo. 54 pag may joker, pero this is a regular. So, exclude natin yung joker. Ngayon, class, in a regular deck of cards of 52 cards, meron tayong tinatawag na suits. Okay? Meron tayong 4 suits. Yung suits na to, ito na yung sinasabi nating shape. Okay, we have the heart, the diamond. Diamond ba to?
The clover spade.
Clubs.
The spade or the clubs or clover. Kung anong tawag dyan. Malunggay. Malunggay. Ayan.
Clover.
Tapos yung spade
Clover
dahil sa amin,
Kingdom.
Yung spade sa amin dati kakawate. Anyway, ayan. So, 4 na suits ang tawag dyan. Okay? Per suit, nagtataglay pa. Tataglay. Meron tayong isang ace card. Yung ace card is considered as number 1. Pero ace card ang tawag. Meron tayong face card. Kada suit, meron tayong 3. Ano-ano yon? King,
Jack
King,
Queen,
Queen, Jack.
and
Queen, Jack.
Jack. And meron tayong tatawag na number cards. Ito na yung mga may number. 2, 3, 4, 5,
Until
6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Yung ace card can considered as a number card. But dahil tinawag siyang ace card, in our context dito sa tinuturo ko, hindi muna natin siya isasama as a number card. Okay? Instead, we will call that an ace card. So, yon. Ngayon, class, sige. Step 1 muna tayo. Ano yung hinahanap? Expected value. Okay. So that is the mu. Step 2, formula. Ano yung formula? Mu is the summation of x times
X times P of
P
X.
of x. Okay. Tapos step 3 is kung paano natin kukunin. Ay, sorry. Given pa pala. Sige, sulat natin given. Okay, given. Importante ang given. Pag wala tayong nasulat. Okay, so ano yung given natin? Ano yung mapapanalunan mo natin pag ace card? Magkano daw?
20.
Okay, 20. Ngayon, ano ang probability na mananalo tayo ng 20?
4 over 50.
4 out of
4 over
52.
52.
Okay, 4 over 52.
52.
Okay? 4 na ace card sa isang regular deck of cards. Bakit 4? 1 ace card per suit. Ilang suit meron? 4. Okay?
4.
Next. Ano yung mapapanalunan pa natin?
Face.
Face card. So, magkano mapapanalunan pag face card?
5.
5.
Okay. So 5, anong probability na face card?
12 over 52.
Over 52.
Okay. So, ayun. Wait lang ha. So we have 12 over 52. So ano yung natira?
Number card.
Numbers.
Okay. So, ilan yon?
Negative 10, sir, kasi po.
Okay.
Pag
Sige, negative 10. Bakit negative 10? Kasi hindi ka naman nanalo. Magabayad ka nga, di ba? Yun na, disobey na naman yung rule ni Discrete. Kasi nga, bawal ang negative, di ba? Non-negative dapat, di ba? So, yun. Kaya, anong gagawin natin? So, ano ang probability na magabayad ka ng 10? Ilan na nga?
36.
36
Yung
over
natirang
52.
cards, which is 36 over
36.
52. Okay, sige, let's find the expected value. Okay. Sige, mamaya explain natin yun yung answer nang nakuha natin. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin? Ilista natin yung discrete probability distribution. So, we have x, p of x. Ano yung mga price or mga consequence natin? 20, 5, and negative 10. Probability, 4 over 52. Ayan. 12 over 52. And 36 over 52. Ngayon, class, I suggest na kung scientific calculator yung ginagamit niyo, pwedeng fraction muna yung ilagay ninyo dito sa table. Pwede ring decimal. Okay? So, ayun. Pwede rin namang decimal. Laban lang naman. So, ayan. So, we have 20 times 4 over 52, ilan?
20 over 13.
20 over 13.
20 over 13. Next is
15
15
over 13.
over 13. And lastly, we have
Negative 90 over 13 po.
Okay, what's the sum?
Negative 55 over 13 or negative 4.230.
Ay, sorry, tama ba? Ilan nga? 55, di ba? 55, negative 55 over 13 or ilan yung equivalent nun?
4.2308 po.
Okay, so we have negative, ilang decimals? 4, di ba? 4.2308. Ayan. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Sir, nag-negative. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Anong unit nito? Pesos ulit. Okay? Pag negative ang ating expected value, hindi siya expected gain. Instead, siya ay expected loss. Okay? Ibig sabihin, each game, ang tendency na makalose tayo ng pera is worth nasa 4 pesos. Ay, ano nga yun? 28 ba? 23 pala. 23 point, yun. Worth ganito. Okay? Yun ay class kapag yung naglalaro, si Game Master, hindi niya shuffle yung cards or hindi niya binabalik yung cards na nakuha mo. Nakuha mo yung point ko, class? Kunwari, inuubos nilang talaga lahat ng baraha. Pero kapag once na kunwari yung kinuha mo, ibabalik mo rin doon sa card, ibang probability na naman yung gagamitin natin doon, class. Okay? Do you have any question? O pag ibig sabihin pag negative, ay by the way, pag negative pala yan siya, class, ibig sabihin lugi ka na. Nakuha po?
Opo.
Opo.
Ayun.
Yes.
Baka may question pa kayo, class. Wala nang question?
None.
Wala na po.
Proceed na tayo. Last problem na to, don't worry. Ito similar lang din to doon doon sa first example natin na problem. Ay, second pala, sorry. Tickets din. So the Faculty Club of PPCNSHS is planning to sell 500 tickets to be raffled during the high school day. One ticket will win 3,000 pesos. The other tickets will win nothing. If you will buy one ticket, what will be the expected value and the variance of your gain? Okay, sige. Tutulungan ko na kayo. Step 1, anong hinahanap? Mean and variance. Step 2, formula. Mean is equal to the summation of x times p of x, and the variance is equal to the summation of x minus the mu squared times p of x. What are the given? Balik tayo. Ilang tickets daw yung ibibenta?
500.
500. Tapos, one ticket will win 3,000 pesos. Tama? Ayan. Tapos, ang other tickets daw, ilan ang mapapanalunan? Nothing. So,
Wala.
winner takes
Wala
all
po.
to siya. Oo. 'Di ba? Winner takes all. So, anong gagawin natin? O solve natin. So, magkano daw yung expected gain sa kayong variance? So, 3,000 daw ang mapapanalunan kapag nakuha mo yung 1 doon sa 500 tickets na yun or nabunot yung ticket mo. Kasi nga isa lang kukunin. So, 1 out of 500 yung odds. Okay? While 0 for the rest of the ticket. So, the probability na hindi ka manalo is 499 over 500. Okay? Kunwari lang to ha. Ngayon, step 3. Okay? We will compute for the expected value para malaman din natin at matansya natin kung magkano dapat yung presyo ng ticket. Okay? So, ayan. So magkano ulit ang variables natin ay yung price. Ang probability, ayan. So what is our mean? O sige, pakisolve. Pati variance, diretso na. Tapos explain natin yung answer later. Sige, I'll be giving you 3 minutes ulit to answer. Okay, let's answer. Sige, mean tayo. Okay, so ano nang gagawin natin pag mean? Ayan, extend ko lang yung table. Okay, so x times p of x, ilan? 3,000 times 1 over 500,
6.
6 po.
6. Okay, ito 0 na. So, the sum is 6. So, our mu, ang mu natin ay 6. Okay, gamitin natin yung mu na yon. So, we have x minus mu. So, we have
2999 po.
2994 and negative 6. Oh my God, square natin ng pagkalaki-laking number na to. Okay, so square natin yon. So we have ilan? 2994 squared. 89 na ba? 8 million ba?
96
896
403
8,964. Ay, sorry. Basta 8,964,036.
36.
Okay. Tapos yung isa ay positive 36.
36.
Okay, multiply C ating probability. Ayan. Ay, nawala na yung tinta. Oh my God. Wala na. O yan. Okay, so 8,964,036 times 1 over 500. So ilan?
17,928.
17,928.072.
So 17,928.07. Ay, ano ba? Wait lang. Ulitin ko nga. Ayan. Pag maliliit talaga sa pen tablet, ang hirap na isulat. 17,928.072. Positive 36 times 499 over 500. That would be
35.928.
35.928. O, paki-add. 35.928 plus 17,928.072. The answer is?
17,964. 64.
Ano daw? 17,964.
964.
Okay, so this is our variance. Yung mean natin, class, ayan na, ito na naman. Yung variance natin, sinasabi nilang na ganyan kalalaki or ganyan kalaki yung ating variance or ganyan kalaki yung value ng scatteredness, may term na scatteredness, or yung kanilang ganyan ka-scatter yung ating data with respect to the probability. Ngayon, yung ating mu, yung ating mean, ano ibig sabihin yan? 6 pesos dapat yung amount ng ticket para baliktaya. Okay, wait lang. Ayan. So, kasi dahil may 500 tickets times 6 pesos, di ba? 3,000 ang total. Ngayon, ang price natin is 3,000. O kung ako si faculty club president, hindi ako magpapapresyo ng 6 pesos na ticket. Kung 3,000 and winner takes all. Dahil nga, ano nga ba yung purpose natin? Ba tayo nagbebenta ng ticket? 'Di ba? Para kumita. Kasi may cost tayo. Kailangan natin na, na magkaroon ng income generating project for a certain cost, right? Kaya yun yung gagawin natin. Magdi-distribute tayo ng ticket and then, syempre hindi lang naman yung ticket yung price yung gagastosan natin, 'di ba? Yung mga ticket and so, 'di ba? So dapat medyo malaki-laki pa. So kunwari 10 pesos o makakatubo na tayo ng 2,000. O bahala kayo kung magkano, kung 20, kung 100, bahala kayo. 'Di ba? 'Yun. Ngayon class, katulad ng sinasabi ko, dito na papasok si business. Ito really lang to enrichment. Dahil magta-time na rin naman. Ayan. Enrichment class wherein what's this? Na make sure pag nagbebenta ng ticket, hindi siya ganun kabigat. Number 1, hindi siya ganun kabigat sa bibili ng ticket. Number 2 is that dapat yung presyo ng ticket is parang extreme masyado kung i-compare doon sa presyo ay sa premyo. Yung price over the price. Okay? Kasi kung iisipin mo, o nga no, yung 10 pesos is maliit lang kung mananalo ka naman ng 3,000 pesos. Right? Pero kung if you are rational enough or logically, maano ka sa logic niya na wait lang, teka nga lang. Kung 10 pesos isa and 500 tickets, so 5,000 yung maiipon. 'Di ba? Yung mga ganun class. Ngayon nga, masasabi natin na statistically lugi ka or hindi. Anyway, it has its own side when it comes to the consumer ba? To the buyer and to the businessman. Yon. And this is one application of statistics in business. Oh, scam? Yes. It might be scam. It might be panloloko, fraud. Tama ba? Pero in a way na ginamitan siya ng statistics. Ganon. And yun naman talaga kasi, 'di ba? Ganon. Kaya nga yung mga raffle ngayon, hindi lang ba siya raffle eh. Meron yang guidelines kung bakit magpapa-raffle. Nagpapaloto, may guidelines yung class. Okay? So ganon siya. Ngayon, before we end our discussion, do you have any questions regarding our lesson?